Well, it's Friday. That means it's time for another Firebird Friday video. And today, we're putting in the clips for the chrome and putting the chrome on the front windshield. So if this is a project that you need to do on your first generation F-body car, stick to it because we're going to show you how to do it. Lickety split. Let's go. If you watched my last video, and I'll put a link up over here somewhere, we put those studs in. Now these clips, the way they go in is you sit them in there like this, and you make sure that that pointy part sticks out. I believe it just like that. Let's see here. Miss Sierra. Okay, good girl. Dad's just going to back this up. Okay, I'll put those clips in that way in the profile. Now this one here, I got some of that stuff on it. So I'll squeeze it in there. Then just push it back. Get it locked into place. Same thing up here, load it in, and kind of push it down to lock it into place. Same thing, come over here. Okay, we'll just make our way all the way around. You want me to open that back door, honey? This needs to come over. Line about right there. Okay, we'll keep going around. Side pieces now come down and just clip over those. You can see it's a little tight right there at the top for me. Okay, we got the top part around. Now, this part here, you should do this. These clips here I've taken off, but they go behind the fender. And obviously the fender's on, and I just want to put it on for now. So these here clips line up with holes in the cowl. So just kind of line these up. Get you a bag of the screws. They are a hex head on top. Find that hole. Get this in there. So I hand thread them at first. There's one. Now we'll just go around and do the whole thing. All right, guys, as you can see, we got this all installed. Looks pretty nice. Have to admit, that chrome, I don't know, chrome won't get you home, but I definitely love the chrome on the front of the Firebirds. Simple to do, easy to do. Oh, wait, let me show you the tool to take off your wipers if you need to do that. So this is the tool, and there'll be a link down below if you want to grab those for yourself here. So you basically just take this and you put it underneath there, and you lift it up, and it will pull that whole arm off. They're a couple bucks. Link down below. You guys can get one for yourself. All right, guys, this will wrap up this Firebird Fridays video. Pretty simple to get this new chrome trim back onto your car. Just watch the video, follow the steps all the way. We're getting a little bit closer to getting this thing driving full time. Next Friday, hopefully, a steering wheel restoration video. Anyways, stay tuned for that. So, wow, cannot talk today. Wonder why. All right, anyways, so we will see you next Friday for another Firebird Friday video. Thanks so much, guys. Please give me a like if you liked the video. If you learned anything, if you're enjoying our Firebird Friday videos, give me a like. If you're not a subscriber, hit that subscribe button. Drop me a comment if you want to tell me something. And as always, we'll see you next Friday for another Firebird Friday video.